To change a lock screen style on Poco F8 Ultra, start by opening settings. Right now you will have to scroll down and go for personalization. And now you have to go for a lock style. Next, as you can see, we can find the classic one that looks like this with the different wallpapers, but the clock style is the same. It's only changing with a font. Here we can find the another one with some beautiful wallpaper and the overlap clock and the different font styles and pretty cool pictures. It looks really nice actually. And over here we can find another style with another beautiful wallpapers and the another one. And you can basically even customize every of this style by clicking here, and you can still change some effects. You can add them, like for example you can get this lens effect on your lock screen, but also you are able to change your clock still, so we can keep wallpaper but change it style and font. And there's actually a lot of things that you can customize over here. And if you want to apply changes, just click in the right upper corner.